Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a custom token in Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application and added my wallet. In case you have not done that, do it right now. It's quite easy. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to add a custom token. Right here at the very top right, next to home, you will see a button like this. Click on it right now. Once you do, as you can see, there are multiple tokens available here. In case the one that you are looking for is not here, what you guys need to do is simply click on this plus icon at the very top right. And guys, that is it. Simply select the network and add the address. Once you've done that, the name, symbol and decimals will automatically update. Once you've done that, simply click on import. And guys, that is it. That is how you add a custom token in Trust Wallet. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.